Welcome to Activity 71, A Little Harder. In this activity, we're going to be developing the strategy of taking away 9 from holes in the 20s, such as 23, by first taking away 10. 23 take away 10 is 13, and then taking away 9. So 23 take away 9 is 14. This is 1 greater. To complete this activity, you need one of each block from 1 to 10. If you have original boards, please place them inside a right and wipe sleeve. When we subtract, it's whole, take away, part equals part. The numbers that represent the whole are placed above the line. This number line starts at 10 and here is 20. Player 1 goes first and they spin a whole of 22. 22. They mark the hole. They then take away 10 below the line and say 22 take away 10 equals 12. We then take away 9 and say, so 22 take away 9 equals 13. And we record this. 22 take away 9 equals 13. Player 2 has their turn and they spin a whole of 28. They build and mark the hole above the line. We then, below the line, say 28 take away 10 equals 18. So 28 take away 9 equals 19. And I record this. 28 take away 9 equals 19. The aim is to be the player who makes the smallest or least answer. So player 1 wins this round. Remember to use number sense and check your numbers are in counting order. Now it's your turn.